A round of applause, please.
Guys, naiyak ako. Naiyak ako sa awarding. Alam niyo yun? Grabe, naiyak ako sa awarding, guys. Feeling. Woo! Ayan o, 2 million salit. Oh my God. Kakayak pala yun. Kahit nanonood ka lang.
Ira Villegas.
Citation reads as follows. Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, presents this presidential citation to Ira Villegas in recognition of exemplary acts by virtue of her bronze medal finish in boxing, women's 50 kg, for demonstrating the Olympic ideals of excellence, respect, and friendship, thereby giving honor and pride to the
Kakayak.
and for inspiring Filipino athletes to dream, aspire for, and achieve Olympic feats.
Yung hirap
Given
nila.
the city of Manila, this 13th day of August, in the year of our Lord,
Ewan, hindi ko na maintindihan ba't ako naiyak dun sa ceremony.
Ira Villegas will also receive an amity card.
Wow, 2 million. Deserve.
As well as travel tax exemption until June 30, 2028.
Wow.
Once again, congratulations.
Ira Villegas, congratulations. Sarap siguro ng feeling nung
Of merit, Olympic gold medalist Carlos Edriel Yulo. The Presidential Medal of Merit is conferred from an individual for gaining prestige.
Wow, ito na inaantay ko, mga ka-sexy.
In the fields of literature, the sciences, the arts, entertainment, and other civilian fields of endeavor, including sports, that foster national pride and artistic excellence.
The citation reads as follows. Be it known to all man-mighties present that I, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Philippines, by virtue of the powers vested in me by law, in recognition of his historic twin triumphs at the 2024 Paris Olympics, in the men's floor exercise and men's vault events, winning the first ever Olympic gold medals in gymnastics for the Philippines, demonstrated commitment to the Olympic ideals of excellence, advancing the cause of peace and global solidarity through sports, for his continuous application and development of skill, talent, intelligence, and discipline, proving that the Filipino athlete can stand shoulder to shoulder with the very best in the world, for his groundbreaking success as the first Filipino athlete to bring home multiple Olympic gold medals to the Philippines, for his truly uplifting life story, serving as a role model and inspiration to Filipinos for generations to come, especially young homegrown athletes, to strive not just for personal success, but for the glory of country and people, and for bringing immense pride, honor, and joy to a grateful Filipino nation. Have conferred the Presidential Medal of Merit on Carlos Edriel P. Yulo.
Woo!
This 13th day of August in the year of our
Yes.
2024. Mr. President, Carlos Yulo.
Oh, galing! Thank you. Congratulations, Carlos Yulo. Wow. Nakakaiyak naman. Wow. Congratulations.
Carlos Yulo will also be receiving 20 million pesos from
wow!
the President. In addition
oh
to
my God!
The National Athletes and Coaches Benefit
20 million!
An amity card from the MTRCB valid until June 30, 2025 and travel tax exception until June 30, 2028.
Ay, grabe!
Of TIEZA.
Wow, Carlos Yulo. Kaya lang, where's the family? Yes. So, sad lang kasi wala yung family ni Yulo. Ang laki-laki ng nakinita niya. 20 million yung na-receive niya.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Ay,
President.
pala yung girlfriend.
As well to our presenters.
Uy, grabe. Congratulations, Yulo. So proud of you. Nakakayak. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga athlete. Talagang naiyak ako. Ewan ko ba. sarap siguro ng feeling, no? Sarap rin gano'n ng feeling na nire-recognize ka ng national, lalo na yung president. Nakaka-proud. Naiyak ako kasi ang sarap ng feeling yung bang makaakyat ka doon sa stage kasama may mga taong malalaking tao, presidente, tapos ina-award ka dahil sa tagumpay mo. Sobrang nakakayak. Congratulations to all the athletes. Nabuhay kayo, and yung ako na lang yung iiyak kasi hindi kayo umiyak sa oras na kayo binigyan ng karangalan. Thank you sa lahat ng president. Thank you sa kay President Marcos. Thank you sa lahat ng mga athletes. Sana patuloy yung bigyan ng karangalan yung Pilipinas. I'm so proud of you. Thank you guys. God bless. Sana magkaayos na rin yung pamilya ni Yulo. Sayang wala doon yung parents ni Yulo, no? Sarap siguro ng feeling kung nagkakasundo sila. Ayan, thank you guys for watching. Pasensya na kayo, emotional ako. Ewan ko, naiyak ka talaga ako. Ganun talaga ako, guys. Pag malungkot, naiyak. Pag sobrang happy naman, sobrang saya naman, naiiyak. Ayan. Pasensya na guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So yan mga ka-sexy, balikan natin yung mga panahon na nag-iensayo pa yung ating mga atleta. Yung talagang feeling nila na sakripisyo, na hirap sila. Lalo na kay Yulo na kung saan siya practice. Nakaka-proud din sa ating mga boksingerong babae. Congratulations. Ito yung panahon na talagang yung magiging boksingero hindi po madali. Dahil buhay mong nakataya dyan. Pag ikaw ay tinamaan sa ulo, pwedeng ikamatay. Eto galing, oh. Kahit na meron siyang injury sa kanyang mga braso, patuloy pa rin siyang lumaban. Eto din ang ating boksingero. Isa ring napakahusay. Congratulations. Ayan. God bless po sa lahat. Masayang OFW na nanonood sa inyo. Ito, galing. Grabe, no? Grabe. Yung feeling na ganyan, no? Yung ganyan feeling, oh, masarap. Yung parang nanalo ka sa loto. Ito. Naalala ko si Lydia De Vega. Fastest woman runner in the world. Ayan, no? Galing. Meron pala tayong ganong Pilipino, no? Swimming. Pangarap ko rin yung manalo, matutong mag-swimming, kaya lang swimming ko. Swimming na parang aso. Ayan, congratulations to all sa inyo mga panalo, kahit konti lang, bronze. Grabe yung reaction nung nung nagtuturo, yung coach. Galing, sobrang. Eto talagang the best of the best. 2 gold medal. Wow, congratulations po. Congratulations to all the athletes. Ayan, mabuhay kayo. Continue striving to have a gold in our athletes. Ayan. Sobrang naiyak ako. Nakaiyak pala yung guys. Sobrang nakakaiyak. Yung paghihirap nila, grabe, no? Naging, yung magkaroon ka ng karangalan para sa bansa. Sarap siguro ng feeling na. Pangarap ko yun eh. Kaya lang, magpakabuting Pilipino na lang ako dito sa abroad. Para ipagmalaki din ako ng Pangulo. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching. Iyak talaga ako. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.